My name is CNC Wachuku. I am the Group Managing Director of RAUDO Nigeria Limited. RAUDO is a group company that has interests in various sectors of the economy, such as oil and gas, construction, engineering, marine, agriculture, and hospitality industry. Our interest in agriculture, this is the first one, under a company we call Victoria Farms. This company was put together to develop an interest in poultry and poultry farming. The original intention, which is still the intention, is one, to be part of the food sufficiency in Nigeria, and two, to create employment for our people. Our plan was to have a world-class, best-in-class project, and so we set out to look for the best. And our search took us to Israel, to South Africa, to Europe, and to America. At the end, we settled for Big Dutchman based on the antecedents and their history. And I think so far they are meeting up with our expectations in terms of quality, in terms of finesse. Because we don't intend just build a poultry, we want to build a poultry that is comparable to any standard across the world.
My name is Jaco de Jong from Big Dutchman, Nigeria. We provide farmers and business people in Nigeria with agricultural solutions in a wide variety of applications.